Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best metal cutting nibblers. A power metal or hand nibbler can be extremely helpful when cutting sheet metal. With so many different versions and types, choosing the right one might take time and effort. Here, we break down the 5 best options on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th metal cutting nibbler in our list is the REXBETI double-headed sheet metal nibbler, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Thanks to many capabilities that come with this nibbler attachment from REXBETI, it's quite a popular one amongst workshop enthusiasts. As you might expect from its name, it's an attachment for current power instruments such as a drill. In fact, any drill that operates between 1500 rotations per minute and 3000 revolutions per minute can be used with this attachment. Before using this nibbler to create a precise circle, you can drill a beginning hole for it using a 4 to 12 mm step drill bit. The largest diameter of the circle you may cut with the help of the circle cutting tools is 11.5 inches. Meanwhile, the 360-degree cutting head is easy to handle and easily cuts circles and straight curves. Cutting sheet metal will take much less time. Its cutting blades can be used to cut a variety of materials, including sheet metal, pipelines, powder-coated materials, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, and fiberglass, as well as intricate and corrugated materials. Just a heads up, these nibblers can create quite a bunch of tiny crescent-shaped pieces, each with 2 sharp points. This is a bit different from doing it by hand, so if you're using them, it's a good idea to do it in a space where you can easily clean up afterward. A floor you can quickly sweep, vacuum, or wipe down would be perfect. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who uses fragile metal, since this one cuts clean and easily without bending the material. The 4th metal cutting nibbler in our list is the Astro 727 ONYX heavy-duty air nibbler, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. In the automotive, construction, and metalworking sectors, the Astro 727 ONYX is like a reliable friend. It's built tough and packs a punch, handling various materials like fiberglass, plastic, aluminum, and sheet metal with precision. One of its standout features is its rugged construction, which allows it to take on challenging tasks and deliver lasting performance. Plus, it's designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making it a breeze to handle and move around. Adjusting the cutting speed gives you full control, ensuring your cuts are clean and accurate. And the icing on the cake, it sports a removable cutting head, giving you more flexibility and extending the tool's lifespan. When it's in action, it runs smoothly and quietly, sparing you from excessive vibration and noise. This thoughtful design means less discomfort, making it a go-to for those longer projects. Rest assured, Astro prioritizes your safety with a lock-on switch and a safety lever to prevent any unintended starts. On the flip side, one thing to note is that the cutter doesn't come with a mark to guide along a line. To achieve a straight cut, it's recommended to secure a straight edge, made of wood or steel, to serve as a guide. This ensures the best results when cutting in a straight line. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for workshop enthusiasts who primarily tackle small projects, excelling particularly in shortcuts. It's tailored to meet the needs of those who focus on precision and efficiency in their work. The 3rd metal cutting nibbler in our list is the Ingersoll Rand EC300 air nibbler metal cutter, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Tools in the Edge series are specially made for home users and light commercial applications. Each tool is strong, capable, and equipped with an ergonomic handle to reduce hand fatigue and an easy exhaust to direct air away from the job. 25 distinct versions are available in the Edge series family of tools for some of the most popular purposes, including bolting, cutting, painting, and finishing. With the Edge series EC300 air nibbler, up to 18-gauge steel, aluminum, plastic, or other metals can be cut at a speed of 6 feet per minute. The EC300 maintains a tight 1/4 inch radius with excellent precision even at 4,200 strokes per minute, providing you the control and cutting power you require, all without distorted edges. Increase your bite and improve your angle cuts. The Ingersoll Rand EC300 will consistently do the task perfectly thanks to its small size and precise cutting. No matter the nature of the work at hand, you can count on a true cut. A word from the users though, the head tends to cut loosely over time, so it might be best to use it while working in batches. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those who are working in tight locations, as this has a rotating head. The second metal cutting nibbler in our list is the VEVOR Electric Metal Nibbler, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. For neat and accurate steel, aluminum, plastic, or other metals, VEVOR has a sizable stroke and a 360-degree rotating head. This nibbler is light for simple handling and features an ergonomic, narrow body design for easy holding. For shorter downtime, the drill metal cutter includes a quick punch and die change. To cut circles, curves, and straight lines in any direction, it has a cutting blade guide that rotates 360 degrees. Through the air outlet, rapid ventilation and heat dissipation are made possible. VEVOR's electric nibbler's upgraded 380-watt copper motor can withstand high temperatures, offer strong power, and prolong machine life. The metal nibblers are made of high-quality metal alloys, which make them sturdy and efficient. A variety of shapes may be precisely and neatly cut at a high speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute. There are a slew of tools included with a sheet metal nibbler, including a replaceable block, a wrench, spanners, and a portable toolbox. The undershot feature of the square head makes it perfect for cutting straight lines. On the other hand, the cutting blade may be readily changed with a wrench. The electric metal shears have no problem cutting complicated forms such as stainless steel, copper, aluminum, plastic, or glass. However, some workshop enthusiasts have a challenging time using the undershot, so try practicing with a square head to get that straight, perfect line. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginners who are looking for a form that is not too complicated, as this one has a humanized design. The best metal cutting nibbler in our list is the Makita JN1601 16-gauge nibbler, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Renowned for its efficiency and precision in cutting sheet metal and various materials, the Makita JN1601 16-gauge nibbler stands out as a favorite choice among both professionals and avid DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a 5-ampere motor, the Makita JN1601 effortlessly handles up to 16-gauge mild steel and 18-gauge stainless steel. Its ergonomic and slender body design ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing user fatigue even during extended use. With a generous 1/4-inch stroke, it excels at clean and precise cuts through keystone plates, deck plates, and corrugated sheet materials. What sets it apart is the 360-degree rotating die, allowing users to make delicate cuts at various angles. Plus, the built-in thickness gauge simplifies and ensures accurate cutting depth adjustments. Remarkably lightweight at just 3.6 pounds, this nibbler is known for its ease of maneuverability. This not only enhances accuracy, but also reduces strain on the user. Durability and functionality are at the core of the Makita JN1601. Accessible carbon brushes make maintenance a breeze, ultimately extending the tool's lifespan. Additionally, punch and die replacement is a straightforward process, minimizing operational downtime. Now, it's worth noting that achieving a straight line requires some experience and practice. Managing the core to keep it clear of the cutting edge demands a bit of effort. However, with a bit of familiarity, these considerations become second nature. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those who are looking for a simple design, as it comes with a small circumference barrel grip design. And there you have it, folks, our best metal cutting nibblers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next metal cutting nibbler roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.